Hello everyone, welcome back to the Web Security Bootcamp channel. In this video, using the example of online bookstore database tables, we will learn how to use the union operator and determine the number of columns returned by a query. Let's take a look at two effective methods for performing a union attack. The first method is to send a series of union select useful data indicating different numbers of null values. The second method is to insert a series of order by statements and increase the specified column index. To learn union attacks, you should have a basic understanding of database tables and how to query them with SQL. I have a video on my channel with a detailed explanation. I will leave the links in the description below the video. Before we start, a quick reminder about ethical behavior. This video is for educational purposes and authorized testing only. The objectives of this video are: learn what a union attack does, understand the two rules required for it to work, and see two simple ways to discover how many columns a query returns. Union appends rows from one select to another, but only if two rules are met. Both selects return the same number of columns, and each column position holds compatible data types, for example text with text or number with number. Compatible data types mean that column 1 from the first query lines up with column 1 from the second query, column 2 lines with column 2, and so on. Each pair should be the same kind of data, text with text, numbers with numbers, or dates with dates. If they differ, the union will fail. Let's look at the tables of an online bookstore as an example. Here are the tables from our online bookstore example. In the customers table, we have information about each customer, including their ID and name. In the books table, we store details about the available books, such as their ID and title. Now look at this union query. The first part selects customer ID and name from the customers table. The second part selects book ID and title from the books table. Both select statements return exactly two columns, and the data types in each column are compatible. IDs are numbers and names, or titles are text. When combined with union, the result will be one list that mixes customers and books together, customer IDs with names and book IDs with titles. To discover the column count, we use null placeholders. Inject union select null, then union select null, null, and so on. Null is neutral and avoids many type problems. When the union succeeds, you've found the number of columns. Another simple technique is order by. Append order by 1, then order by 2, and so on. When the database errors you've exceeded the column count, the last working index equals the number of columns. This is a handy alternative to the union nulls approach. In the next video, I will show you how this attack works using an example from a PortSwigger Academy lab exercise. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more beginner-friendly content on cybersecurity and ethical hacking. And don't forget to check the video description for all the links we mentioned. If you have any questions or suggestions, please write them in the comments. See you in the next one.